Can you take a wild guess whose tequila we're gonna be tasting today?
That was your hint.
You know who he is. He was a WWE Hall of Famer, was in all of our favorite movies, Jumanji, Moana, Baywatch. I mean, come on, the guy's a legend. And now he has a tequila. Like, how do you have time for this? I can barely freaking brush my teeth every day. So today we're gonna be tasting The Rock's new tequila, Teremana.
If you don't dress up like The Rock when you try his tequila, are you even a real fan? No. No, you're not. We are big time tequila fans, so we were really excited to hear that The Rock came out with a tequila. We went out and we bought both the Blanco and the Reposado. We love some Reposado.
We love it. It's our number one thing, okay? We love it.
I just want to shout out you for wearing a fanny pack because these things are handy. Here we go.
We're gonna start bartending with these on, honestly, because we like it.
Got the goods. So we're gonna start off with the Blanco. Notes of bright citrus with a smooth, fresh finish. Ooh.
And it has his signature also.
That's pretty cool. His signature is right there.
And then underneath it, it says Mana, gratitude, and tequila. We don't know what Mana means.
Okay, Google, what does Mana mean?
Here's the definition of mana. Especially in Polynesian, Melanesian, and Maori belief, pervasive supernatural or magical power.
Oh, so this is a magical tequila. Okay, let's try it. I am so excited to try The Rock's tequila right now. I know you wake up at 4 a.m. in the morning and I don't, so hopefully this tequila will make me wake up at 4 a.m. in the morning. Okay, we're gonna smell it. It smells like tequila.
Yeah, this is the definition of what tequila smells like.
It's not harsh.
Are you getting any citrus notes?
I'm getting like a sweet note.
Yeah, a little bit. Little sweet.
Cheers.
Okay, cheers.
That is smooth.
It is really smooth.
Wow.
I could definitely sip on this on the rocks with like a little bit of lime.
Yeah.
Or like an orange slice, like a little orange in there would be so good.
I'm honestly so shocked right now. It's so smooth and it's warm. Like, I would never drink tequila warm.
I would drink tequila warm, but there's a lot of silver tequilas that I would not drink warm, but this one is good. Like, I could definitely sip on this.
Yeah, I'm so shocked. I mean, I'm not shocked because The Rock is the best, so it's like, duh. It's gonna be perfect. Okay, I'm so far liking the Blanco, so I'm really excited to try the Reposado because it's our jam, and I'm ready. I'm really into this bottle. It was made for a bartender, okay? Look at that thing.
You can grab it here. It's got a good grip there, good grip here, you know, like a little, like quick little.
Ooh, that was, that was beautiful. Beautiful. Music to my ears. Now we shall smell and we shall taste. Ah, I love the smell of pure Reposado.
I'm feeling this one.
Yeah.
Notes of oak and vanilla with a smooth, rich finish.
Beautiful. Let's taste it. I'm ready to taste it. Tasty, tasty.
Oh my God. That's so good.
Okay. I could shoot this right now.
I feel like this is what The Rock tastes like.
It's rich. It's rich of flavor. I'm really enjoying this. Okay, thirsty, approved.